probably the grossest thing I've ever seen. He looks like he's...
No, it's sunny, but I've been listening to the rumbling over in the east.
So strange.
Look at his feet move.
He's moving. He looks like a zombie.
He's got just weird coloring. It's like crustacean color, you know?
Yeah. That's what's weird about him.
He's free falling.
But he looks like a zombie. He's like, ah.
Okay, tell me nature's not badass.
It's pretty amazing.
It's the coolest thing ever.
Can you imagine we broke out of our
Look,
own skin?
he's able to bend his legs now.
He just moved them.
Can you imagine how bad that hurts?
I can't imagine how weird it would be to fall out backwards out of your own skin.
That's a bad idea.
Look at his feet go, Cam.
Oh, gross. It seriously reminds me of a freaking zombie right now. With his legs straight up.
Can you hurry up, dude?
Dear nature, speed it up. It's breaking. Be careful.
I'm not scared.
I'm sure he thought this would be a private moment. Him and his exoskeleton.
Yeah.
He says, I'm sure
He's
he
like-
thought this would be a private moment. He's working on it. His little front paws are out.